Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be making origami gift pouch without using glue or gum tapes. I have used A4 size sheet of paper. You can also use any gift wrap papers or any color paper too. It is perfect package for small gift items. I'll be taking A4 size sheet of paper and I'll be dividing into 3 portions. To make it easier, in the side you match with 3 layers. Then make a small crease. Now it is equally divided into 3. Now fold the paper by aligning to the side and make a crease. Rotate the paper and align the side to side, then make a crease. Make a diagonal fold here by aligning the side to the first crease line. On the bottom too, repeat the same thing. Now bring this side to this line. Align the sides and then make a crease. Open the paper and bring this side to this line where the triangle ends and make a crease. Now you can see a perfect square in the center. Open the small triangles. Now fold this flap inside. Align this crease line with the side. From inside you can match the crease line and the side like this and make the diagonal crease. Now lift the folded flap and do a diagonal fold here as demonstrated. Your model will look like this. Open the flap and repeat the same thing on the other side too. When you are done with the second side, the pre-creasing is already there in the first side, so you can collapse the model as shown. Model will look like this. Now in the sides, you can hold it like this and make a pinch mark on both the sides. Fold down the paper approximately 1 centimeter down twice. Press it firmly. Isn't it neat and cute gift pouch? Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.